Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries, and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336.
Kumshi benta nagajing rakia ka World AIDS Day ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MACS haringkat ka Northeast Antique Wheels pat Shillong Motorsports Club kila penlong ya kajing yat daki kalibat ki bike hakshitarik uno pra hajar arpwe kum kalat ay jing hikay halor kajing pang AIDS bat kilat banyadana ka hashwa ban sedang kajing yat kila penlong ya kajing raki hakni kasengi Hamadan Malki Hakaba ke Director jong ka MACS ke Dr. Rafilia Alia keren bakinong lum kubor halor ke jingpang bat kumju kilat jingada naka HIV bat AIDS. Ke Dr. Alia kalai thu bakat kum ke jinglum jingken jong ka National AIDS Control Organization kidon omduna ya ka khatwe hajar ngut kibri ki be em rengkat ke jingpang HIV AIDS hajala Meghalaya. Henry nakini Kibalawan syakhamat ban penrung kerteng yala di kidon tang kumba san hajar tam. Kibakan thup ik shinrang ki kinthei bat khilung khna. Kabenrap ba kibabun kibam shim la penrung kerteng. Kala bendei na kadaw jong jing ting jong ki na kajing sha nyo ben haka imlang sa lang. Nakaliang jong Dr. Alia ka kentu ya kipat ba kidei banwan syakhamat klem jing artatien ban le ik jing wat benya tes knang ban la ban ai jing sumar kababiang ban penbiang jing don kam jing kido ki blangat haka jingpang.
Registered once on either on treatment or have registered with us, but there must be still many of them who are who are not aware of the status. And as per estimation by the National AIDS Control Organization, they say that Meghalaya we at least have 11,000 plus people living with HIV. So we have a burden to try to reach out to the rest of the 6,000 and to tell them to come forward for testing and also, and if they are positive, to come for treatment. Yes. So from our office, we are trying our best to raise awareness, like today's function, for example, to raise awareness with the community, with the society, that HIV/AIDS is not an illness that people should stigmatize or should discriminate against those who are positive. In fact, as HIV/AIDS it is not an illness which is easily transmissible, because as I will mention here again, that there are only 4 means that a person can get HIV: through sexual contact with an infected person, then infected blood and blood products, then from a infected mother to her unborn child, or during breastfeeding, or during delivery, or the infected drug users.
Habay keren u President jong ka Antique Wheels of Northeast u Ashok Lingdo badeiru uwe na kinong ishimenta hakarali u loong bakikali kibalarim bat kibakampher antique kindai kibalakring hakate jingyat bat kinkring yaki khmat jung kipat ba kon kumta anla ban ai jing batai bat jing hikai halo ka jingpang HIV AIDS ka bakarpang.
हम तम्बा लदा फिसै कुमतो लदा फिसै kini kali mai kumto ki duna ki briu ki ban peji kini ki plakat te khamtam lada ngi sei kini kali ba kham ipla kumto te ki briu kin peji kali bat kin telang ki plakat bar apil te ka awareness kan khambon ke ban pejai kin ko kin yo ban shondo bagawai ba kum kini kali gila ade ki tiar ja te manta bom ji show pi te na to da ki ki pajba kin kham poi hi ban peji kini kali te da ki wan ban peji kini kali ti kini ki banas ki ya kini ki plakat ir kin sawan kuli ke sekan kham biang awareness ke pangka it